Step 1. Remove the broken cover if needed. First things first, if you still have the broken cover hanging on for dear life, pop it off. These covers are usually clipped in or spring-loaded, so a gentle tug or a small pry tool will do the trick. Step 2. Prepping the new cover for paint. Here's our fresh new cover, naked and afraid, but we're about to give it a glow up. Pro tip: tape the cover to a paint stick or something similar for handling. This will make it easier to spray along the edges. A quick scuff with some sandpaper gives the paint something to hold on to, kind of like Velcro. This is what your part should look like after sanding. Before we do anything else, clean the cover with wax and grease remover. Trust me, even new parts have oils or fingerprints that can mess up your paint job. Make sure to wipe with a lint-free shop towel, available at readycarpaints.com. Now let's shake up some primer and get ready for the next step. Step 3. Primer before paint. Before we add color, we need a solid foundation. That's where primer comes in. That makes everything look smooth and professional. Spray 2 to 3 light coats, waiting about 10 minutes between each. This helps the paint stick better. And make sure you don't get any weird patchy spots. Pro tip: use a heat gun on a low setting after each. Spray coat to speed up drying and help achieve a smooth, professional finish. Just be careful not to overheat or hold it too close. Apply second coat. You can touch test to see if the primer has dried by gently running your finger over the finish. After the primer dries, lightly sand the surface with 600 grit sandpaper to ensure a smooth finish before applying color. Clean again with wax and grease remover afterward for best results. Now let's get ready for some color. Remember to shake the cans for at least 2 minutes before spraying. Before painting the cover, always perform a spray test on the provided color match card to ensure the color is accurate and the spray pattern is correct. This small step can save you a lot of headaches later. Follow instructions on the card and compare to your vehicle's existing paint. Now for the fun part, spray light even coats about 6 to 8 inches away. No need to drown it, thin coats are key. Let each coat dry for about 10 minutes before adding another. The heat gun tip also applies here. Rinse and repeat until full coverage has been achieved. Now we are ready to move on to the next step. Don't forget to shake, shake, shake. Step 5. Clear coat for that factory finish. Once the color is looking fresh, hit it with some clear coat for that glossy, factory-like finish. Same D-light coats, let it dry, and admire the shine. If needed, apply a second wet coat. Step 6. Installing the freshly painted cover. Now, just pop it back into place like it was never missing. Boom! Your Volvo is whole again. One small part, one huge difference, and just like that, you've saved yourself a trip to the body shop. And some serious cash-all thanks to Ready Car Paints. And grab your custom-matched paint from readycarpaints.com. See you in the next fix. Like, subscribe!